So here we are in front of our apartment and the cows are back. I was sitting here in the gym and they went cruising on by down the street. And then I had to run out of the gym. I'm like, I'll be right back. Save my spot. I just want to film the cows. Ha ha ha. Cows in the street trips me out every time I come here. So today we're running more errands, but I got Mama to ride, so I'm gonna be on the back, so maybe we can get some cool things on the way to this particular store. Got 13 in the pack, so sit back and enjoy the ride, Jack. Okay, Mama says we're close. I don't even know where we're going. I think I know what they sell there, but I don't know if I've ever been to this place before. So check this out. Here's a really cool bridge. And watch, Mama's gonna honk the horn. Right? No? Oh, okay. She disobeyed the tradition. My goodness. What are we doing here? 30? 20 something? Super fast. I don't know how she wears this sweatshirt in Bali. It just amazes me. Although she probably thinks the same thing about me because I'm the only bully with pants on in this whole country. Oh, here we go. Got it down. Wow. Perfect. Okay, we're here going upstairs. Yes, my friends, we are at the appliance store. You got your blenders, you got your irons, stoves, and trash containers. Be kind, rewind. I mean, don't litter. So here we are at an electronics store in Denpasar because we are looking for very specific items. No clues necessarily in the picture, but maybe. And it's been a really long day, but I'm gonna spare you the talk about all of it because it's almost over. So these here are Mama's notes because we're looking at all kinds of appliances right now. So if you eat crappy foods, at least you can get your vitamin C from the air conditioner. Check out the speakers these days. Here, enjoy these nice young ladies for a moment. So we're at the Toko Ayu where we usually get a lot of drinks, and I want to show you guys, this is a Vario 150. So my friends, less than 2 weeks here on the ground in Bali, and here we are of course at our favorite JFC, and there's Mama. This guy here, that's the Indonesian Colonel Sanders. And now we're at a place called Mie Ayam Bakso Solo. So basically it's a chicken bakso seller, and it's busy. Look at all the scooters. Busy on a usually busy street, but it's not so busy tonight. They even have a pet bird. Hi, birdie. Look at that. Twin Scoopies. So Sweetie fed a cat down here who's really happy now. This cat's always hanging around our garage. Another day, another electronics store. out here on Tiuku Umar. Unbelievable. They are using the Rona to sell air conditioners now. Actually, it's totally believable. This world is finished. So after a look at this furniture store, still on Tiuku Umar, and I don't know what the next stop is going to be again, but I think the girls are hungry, so it'll probably be food. Again, you get the menu like this and you write what you want. Currently we're getting 3 iced teas with sugar. And tonight we are trying some bihun goreng. What have we been up to? A lot. We've been busy. But in the meantime, I had a couple of bintangs tonight, which was awesome. So once again, I have to eat at the kiddie table because Mama says I dropped too many crumbs on the bed. So I have the kiddie table. But Mama cooked nasi goreng, dan telur with egg, and some nuggets, and some gorengan, and broccoli. It's a new day. We gotta run errands again. Why don't you come along? Yeah? Where? Oh shit, that's the chicken lady. I forgot, I thought it's on the other street. Sorry, Mama. So this is just some of the chicken that we got from the chicken lady right now. Mama just took it off the bones. That's a pretty good skill right there, and that's a lot of chicken. And there's still more in the bag.